Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, all signs. So, ang tanong is, mag-reach out kaya sila ngayong September? Okay, so syempre, dapat hindi kayo nag-uusap, no? Dapat walang communication kung manonood ka. Okay, dapat wala kayong communication ng person mo para masagot natin. Kahit papano. Okay? Pero kung wala ka namang ginagawa, well, puwede rin naman, oo, makichika ka na lang, oh, 'di ba, makichismis. Okay. So, siyempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang, okay? And yes, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page, okay? And kung may tanong po pagdating sa private or personal reading, message lang po sa atin pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, ulit, ang tanong, will they reach out this September? Okay. Okay. Umpisahan natin kay Aris. Mag-reach out kaya ang taong iniisip mo, Aris? Mag-reach out kaya sila ngayong September? Okay, Aries placements. Mag-reach out kaya sila ngayong September sa'yo, taong iniisip mo. Okay, the Seven of Wands in reverse. The Queen of Wands in reverse. Sabi na, the Three of Swords. Okay, so nakikita ko, iba sa inyo. Okay, some of them, magta-try na i-trigger ka. Itatry yung iba sa inyo na parang panghinayangin ka. Okay? Parang, hoy, Aris, meron na akong someone new. Parang ganun. Okay? Or, some of you may i-unblock ngayong September at ipapakita sa'yo na meron na silang kakonect. Okay? May i-unblock. Yeah. The Wheel of Fortune, the Justice, and the Eight of Swords. Okay. Well, ang nakikita ko naman kasi sa kanila, deep down, no? Gusto nila makipag-ayos. Yeah, gusto nila makipag-ayos. Hindi lang nila totally may offer sa'yo. Yes. Okay? Some of them, they feel hurt pa rin. I don't know why. Okay? Meron ako nakikita rito na parang, if ever ikaw yung nakasakit sa taong to, gagawa ito ng kung ano-anong pagpapapansin. Yes, pagpapapansin. Pero hindi siya yung mag-i-initiate ng communication. Okay? Pero yung iba rito nakakita ko ng yun nga, iti-trigger ka. Gusto ka lang naman talaga makausap. Kung meron silang someone new, hindi sila okay dun. Sa totoo lang. Okay? So, there. Ganun lang. Kasimple ng ating reading. Hindi natin para pahabain. Okay? So, next is Taurus. Will they reach out this September? Taurus. Okay. Mag-reach out kaya sila sa'yo? Tingnan natin. Okay, Taurus. Death. So, pwedeng Scorpio. The Four of Wands. And the Page of Swords. Okay. So, some of them, it's a no. Stock lang. Okay? Yeah, the Empress in reverse, pwedeng tinalikuran mo tong taong to. Mayroong ending talagang nangyari. And some of you, ini-stalk ka nito dahil gusto niya malaman kung meron ka ng kakonect. Okay? Yeah, the Star in reverse, hindi pa sila totally healed from you or from the situation. Pwedeng Aquarius. Yeah, the King of Wands, they find you attractive. Mapababae, mapalalaki, ha? The World, tingin-tingnan niya. Two of Swords, yun lang. Wala akong nakikita ritong pagre-reach out. Okay? Nakikita ko lang dito is sinusubukan niyang kumuha ng kahit anong info. Okay? While, ang tawag doon, sinusubukan niyang kumuha ng information mula sa'yo habang nag-i-stalk. Ganun lang. Ina-avoid ka rin niya. Okay? Or pwedeng ina-avoid mo na siya. Kaya ganyan. Pero hindi niya gagawing mag-reach out. Okay? So, there. Tinitingnan niya kung totally meron ka na bang kakonect sa ngayon. Okay? So, there. Next. So, nandito si Aqua, Fire, Air, and Scorpio. Next is Gemini. So, Gemini, will they reach out this September? Okay. Magre-reach out kaya sila ngayong September? Okay. Tingnan natin. The Hermit. It's a no. Agad. Oo. This is isolation. Being silent. The Ten of Chalices. Yeah, the Four of Swords. Kuliglig, siyap ng ipis ang maririnig. ang maririnig mo mula sa taong ito. Yeah, the Three of Swords in reverse. The Three of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, they find you happy na. Oo. Na parang mas nagiging okay ka nang wala sila. Oh. The Seven of Pentacles. Ang gagawin lang nito is like, maghintay, if ever, kung i-message nyo sila. Okay? Pero some of them, nakikitaan ko ng ego, nandyan. So, pwedeng i-ignore ka. Okay? Kasi pwedeng nandyan pa rin like yung sadness. Okay? Pwede kasing hindi sila yung pinili mo. Okay? Or pwedeng maging vice versa. So, in general, there's no messaging na mangyayari, no? Palitan ng message, walang ganyan. Silent itong taong to ngayong September pagdating sa'yo. They're like just thinking of you and waiting. Okay? So, there. Next is Cancer. Cancer. Okay. So, will they reach out this September? Yan ang tanong. Mag-reach out kaya siya ngayong September sa'yo? Tingnan natin. The Three of Swords. Okay. Pwedeng air sign. I think this person is talagang may pain pa rin yung aso namin na iyak. The Eight of Chalices in reverse. Hindi pa to nakaka-move on sa'yo. The Knight of Pentacles. They want to talk. They want to talk. Pero hindi manggagaling sa kanila yung initiatives. Okay? Hindi manggagaling sa kanila yung pag-i-initiate. Hindi sila. Ikaw. Well, hindi ko sinabi na mag-message ka. Okay? Hinihintay ka lang ng taong to. Yeah, the Knight of Chalices. The Queen of Wands. Yeah, the Two of Pentacles. The Nine of Wands. Their guard is up. Okay? Naka-guard up tong taong to. Mahirap na kapag nag-reach out ka dito. Baka mag-expect ka na magre-reply to. I don't think so. Wala, hindi rin. Okay? Gusto kang makausap. Okay? Kasi gusto niyang maramdaman mo rin yung nararamdaman niyang pain ngayon. Well, kung ikaw gusto mong magkaroon na naman or maramdaman na naman yung pain if ever, mag-reach out ka. Ha? Okay? Oo. So, next. Leo. Okay. Leo, will they reach out this September? Magre-reach out ba sila ngayong September, Leo, pagdating sa'yo? Will they reach out? Oh. May naguguluhan. Okay. Tingnan natin. The Four of Wands Universe. The Emperor. Ooh, this is ego. This is ego. Yeah, the Two of Wands. Their back is turned. Okay. Well, tingnan natin. I-clarify natin. The Four of Wands, please. In reverse. The Ten of Chalices. The Three of Pentacles. Busy to. Busy siya. The King of Pentacles. Yep. The Five of Pentacles. Sa totoo lang, gusto nito na makipag-ayos. Pero, nang dahil sa ego ng taong to, pwedeng Aries, pwedeng Capricorn, pwedeng fire, pwedeng earth, water. Hindi niya gagawin yun. Hayaan ko na lang to, no? Parang ganon. Magpapakabisin lang ako, magpapakasayan lang muna ako ngayon. Hindi ako para mag-reach out. Okay? Okay. So, well, gusto naman niya talaga na makipag-ayos. Yeah. Napipigilan lang siya ng ego. Okay? So, next is Virgo. Di ba magka-rhyme? Virgo. Okay. Ang daldal ko, no? Hindi ako ganito sa totoong buhay. Yes! Mapapanisan ka sa akin ng laway. Virgo. Oh, share ko lang. Ha? Virgo. Okay, ang tanong, will they reach out? Okay, will they reach out this September? Okay, Virgo. The Queen of Swords in reverse. Oh. Pwedeng Libra. Pwedeng may takot. Itong taong to. The Hermit. Ay, pwede. Some of them pwedeng nag-reach out na. Okay. Yeah, the Hermit in reverse. Pakikipag-usap. For some of you. Ganyan. No? The Sun in reverse. Pwedeng Leo. Takot. Hindi alam. Okay? Pwedeng gusto niya na mag-reach out. Kung hindi pa to nag-reach out. Eight of Swords in reverse. Gusto to makipag-usap. Queen of Swords, please, in reverse. The Moon, may takot nga. And confused, syempre. The Sun in reverse, the Moon. O, diba? Okay? Nandyan yung pagdadalawang isip niya. May takot na ma-reject. Mga ganan. What's with the Hermit in reverse? The Lovers in reverse. Pwedeng Gemini. What's with the Sun in reverse? Diba? May pagdadalawang isip. The Two of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands. But yes, andyan pa rin yung pagiging player. Yeah, the Nine of Pentacles. Okay, so itong taong to, hindi pa rin to aayos. Kung siya ay non-committal noon, ganun pa rin siya. Okay, kahit gustuhin man itong makipag-usap, hindi ito makikipag-usap. Okay, they are sad. They are sad. The Hermit is in here in the reverse. Okay, may chance na mag-reach out, pero may pagdadalawang isip. Okay, well, may takot rin. Okay, maraming gustong sabihin, maraming gustong itanong. Next is Libra. So, Libra, ang tanong, will they reach out this September? Nasa isip ko, December. Tagal. Oo. Malay natin, baka sa December mag-reach out yung person mo, Libra. Babatiin ka ng Merry Christmas. No? Well, tingnan natin. Okay. Will they reach out ngayong September? Libra. Okay. The Seven of Chalices Universe. Hanggang hindi ka pa napapalitan ito. Yeah, the Nine of Swords. Hindi ka pa napapalitan ito. Ikaw pa rin ang gusto niyan. The Sun. Gusto nito makipag-usap. Okay? Gusto niyang malaman lahat ng meron ka. Kung anong meron sa'yo, gusto niya lahat malaman. Thinking of you, always. Okay? Seven of Chalices in reverse. Yeah, the Page of Wands. See? Gusto nito na makuha yung attention mo. Okay? Pwedeng kukunin niya yung attention mo. Or, in general, gusto niya lang talagang makipag-usap. The Two of Swords in reverse. Nakabukas yung opportunity. Nakabukas yung pintuan ng taong to para sa'yo. Okay? Nine of Swords. The Page of Chalices. Yun nga lang, pwedeng may takot, may hiya, halo-halong emosyon ang meron tong taong to. Okay? Pwedeng Scorpio. Yung pagre-reach out, pagdating sa'yo, is pwedeng binabaliwala niya dahil wala siyang solid na decision eh. Okay? Yeah. What's with the Sun? Marami tong gustong malaman pagdating sa'yo. The Chariot in reverse, pwedeng Cancer. Okay? The World. Feeling nito, marami nang nangyayaring bago sa'yo. Marami siyang gustong malaman. Marami siyang gustong itanong. Pero hindi niya kaya. May takot. Okay? Madalas ka nitong iniisip. Lalo na sa gabi. Hindi ito makatulog. Yeah. Okay, so nandito si Cancer, si Leo, Fire. May konting air. Okay? So, and water. So, next is Scorpio. Scorpio placements. Okay. Will they reach out this September? Scorpio. The Seven of Swords in reverse. The Six of Pentacles in reverse. Para sa kanya, wala na to. Wala nang chance. Oo. Parang ganyan. Yeah, the Two of Pentacles. Seven of Swords, please. In reverse. Yeah, the Strength. So, they're holding back. Pwede may nalaman to. Okay, that's why hindi niya gagawin na mag-reach out. Six of Pentacles in reverse. And the Hangman. Pwedeng alam nito na totally binitawan mo na siya. Yeah, the Four of Swords in reverse. And pwedeng alam nitong taong ito na you're trying to forget them. Yes. So, nandiyan yung pagja-juggle. Mag-reach out ba ako or hindi na? Kasi parang wala na eh. Or I think, parang wala na nga. Okay? Or wala na nga talaga. Hindi pala parang, wala na. Parang ganyan. Yeah, the Page of Chalices. In reverse. So, this is, this is communication card. Itong mga page. Okay? This is messages. Pero nakabaliktad na. So, siguro, mas malaki yung porsyento ng hindi pagme-message. Nandito pa si Strength. No? Which is holding back. Pwedeng ramdam nitong taong to na totally nilet go mo na siya. So, hindi na siya para mag-reach out. Nandyan din yung ego. Okay? So, pwedeng Leo, Pisces, water, earth, and air. Okay. Yung iba rito pwedeng meron ng kakonect sa ngayon, kaya parang no chance na talaga. Okay? Bakit pa? Parang ganon. Next is Sagittarius. Okay. Sag. Okay. Ang tanong, will they reach out this September? Sag, will they reach out? Will they reach out? The Four of Wands in reverse. The Ace of Wands in reverse. The Seven of Swords. So, some of them, they are stalking. Just stalking. Nakita ko rito ng one night stand. Pero hindi relation ang mangyayari. Yeah, the Hermit in reverse. Pwedeng may chance na mag-reach out, if ever. Okay? Yeah, the Eight of Swords in reverse. Death. Yeah. Yeah, the Queen of Swords. May chance na may mag-reach out. Okay? Pero hindi ito para balikan ang mga dapat balikan. After nito, like after na pag-uusap, wala na ulit. Cold na ulit, detached na ulit. Like that. Some of you, pwedeng mayroon lang siyang gustong makuha from you. So, sabi ko nga, pwedeng may one night stand na mangyari or make-up sex, kuno. No? Okay? So, reaching out, yeah, may possibility for some of them. Pwedeng Libra, Scorpio, fire and air. Yun lang. Okay? So, yeah. Wala rin namang mangyayari if ever. So, bakit pa? Okay. Kung gusto nyo lang naman ng chukchak Chinese, edi go. Next, Capricorn. Capricorn. Will they reach out? Okay. Will they reach out this September pagdating sa'yo, Capricorn? The Seven of Chalices. Some of them, pwedeng meron na silang iba. The Page of Wands. Okay. The Three of Pentacles. Yeah. Alam nyo, ang ipapakita nito is like, they will try to get your attention, okay, to confuse you. Yeah, the Nine of Wands universe. Okay? Hahayaan ng taong to na ibaba mo ang guard mo. They will try na i-trigger ka. Yes. 'Di ba? The Queen of Chalices. Wag. Okay? Gusto nitong makita kung ano yung emosyon mo sa kanya. Page of Wands, please. See? The Ace of Chalices in reverse. Because, hindi nila alam kung ano ba ang emosyon mo for them. So, hanggang doon lang, hanggang sa pangiinis ang gagawin ng taong to. The Two of Chalices, oh. Okay? Ano bang gusto ng taong ito? Gusto niya makipag-usap, actually. Okay? Some of them, meron ng kakonect, pero hindi pa rin makontento doon sa kakonect dahil ikaw ang gusto. Yes. Hindi nila kayang mag-offer ng relationship or emosyon sa'yo. Kasi some of them, may bago or may kakonect. Okay? Yeah, the High Priestess. The Seven of Swords. So, kapag ganyan, may nangyaring ganyan, well, chances is, nagloloko rin siya doon sa kakonect niya. Yeah. Tinatago niya to. Itatago niya to doon sa kakonect. And, pagdating sa'yo, hindi rin niya yung sasabihin na meron siyang kakonect. Ay, this is not good. Okay? Mahirap na kapag nakita nun yung emosyon mo sa kanya. Kasi talagang hahayaan ito na mag-guard down ka. Okay? Some of them nga, pwedeng pagsisilosin ka, ganyan, ganto. Ay, kasi meron akong ganto, ganyan. Pero hindi actually to sasabihin lahat. Okay? So, masyado ko lang na-elaborate. So, next. Aqua. Okay, Aquarius. Aquarius placements. Tanong is, will they reach out this September? Will they reach out? Shararan. Ay, the Page of Chalices. So, may chance. Yung iba sa inyo. Okay, na makausap ito. The Four of Chalices in reverse. Yeah, the Six of Chalices. They miss you a lot. They miss you. They want to talk. Yeah. Pero, the Page of Swords in reverse. So, bumabalik na naman yung stalker nyo, Aqua. Bumabalik na naman siya. Gustuhin man nakausapin ka, may hiya. I don't know if this is hiya or I don't know. Okay? The Eight of Pentacles. Well, some of you, pwedeng gumawa ng effort to. The Eight of Wands universe. Back and forth. Oo, back and forth. Kahit gustuhin man, gagawa ng action. Parang hindi naman ako, baka ganito baka hindi ako pansinin. Okay, ganun. So, mag-i-stock muna itong taong to. Aaralin muna. The Six of Swords. Temperance. Maghihintay ito ng right timing. I guess, hindi ngayong September. Yeah, ayun ang bulong sa akin. Hindi ngayong September magre-reach out tong taong to. Naghahanda pa lang. Naghahanda, oo. Okay? Namimiss ka niya palagi, Aqua. Okay, next is Pisces. Oops. So, Pisces, will they reach out this September? Okay. Will they reach out, Pisces? May chance kaya na mag-reach out yung taong iniisip mo? Oh, the King of Pentacles in reverse. Okay. Nako. The Hermit, pwedeng Virgo, pwedeng Capricorn. The Sun, because of the ego. Oo, because of the pride. Ay hindi niya gagawin ang mag-reach out. The Two of Wands in reverse. Yeah. Tinatalikuran niya to. Ayaw niya. Yeah, the Temperance. Oh, waiting. Naghihintay lang sila. Ano tong the Sun? The Wheel of Fortune. And the Empress. Oh, tinalikuran mo, no? Tinalikuran mo, no, Pisces? No. Oo. Kaya ganito. Ikaw ang hinihintay ng taong to na mag-reach out. Magre-reach out ka ba? Naku, yung iba rito pwedeng nami-miss. Pero okay, hayaan ko na lang. Yeah. Kasi ang dami nang nangyayari na magaganda. Okay? Na-intimidate ang taong to sa'yo. Yeah, na-intimidate siya. Ang hirap mo nang habulin. Pisces, sabi niya. Okay? So, hinihintay ka na lang nito. Yeah. Walang reaching out na mangyayari. Meron. Magkakaroon kung ikaw ang magre-reach out. Okay? So, there. Yun ang ating reading for all signs. So, thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Okay? So, yeah. Bye. Thank you.